This is the video of the corset after sewing. No cup. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make corsets with warden. This is warden, the hard warden, and I'm going to be making use of velvet materials. So these velvet materials, you can't sew it without using this. So you are going to use this. You are going to iron this air stay. It's called air stay to make it stand, because you can't just iron it with breast pad. It's stretchy. So you have to make use of this to make it stand. So now the measurements you are going to be needing for this tutorial. Our shoulder measurement is 15. I draft it out. So our bust measurement is 37, while our waist is 30, under bust is 30. Our distance for the nipple distance is 8. So now first of all, I measure my shoulder. My shoulder measurement is 15. So this is 15 divided by 2, 7.5 plus half inches. So from the shoulder, shoulder to nipple is 10. So I had half inches for the sewing allowance of the shoulder. Our under bust, from shoulder to under bust, is 13. I had half inches to hit. So now our waist measurement is 17. So I added another 1 inches to hit. So now the measurement here is not needed. I just added it. If you want to make basic corset, the one like V here, so you reel it down to any measurement you want. So now first, what I'm going to be doing here, nipple distance is 8. So now 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I added half inches to it. So this is it. 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. Now I will take my ruler and rule it up this way. So from here I'm going to measure. So now if you want your corset to have a yoke, so you measure from your shoulder to this place. I use 7. So from that 7, you measure half inches here like this, and you rule it downward this way. So now all you have to do, from this 7, you determine the length of how you want to make it. So now you can take your ruler this way and measure it up a little. So from here, all you have to do, if you like, you can make it curve this way and go to the armhole side. So this way. So sorry, it's a little bit rough. So this is it. Determine how, like this, the 7 inches I use, the bust won't show. But if you want it to show, you can come down a little bit and curve it back to the armhole. So now the armhole measurement I use from the shoulder to this place 7. So this is it. So now this is the measurement. So now you have to cut out this place. Just blend this place out like armhole curve, like this. So now take your scissors to cut it off this way. That is if you want it to have yoke. But if you want it to be armless, no need of putting this. So if you want to add yoke, you put this. So now this is the nipple to nipple, this is the under bust, this is the waistline. So from the waistline, all you have to do is to measure 1 inches from here, 1 inches from here. So now from the under bust to measure 1 inches this way. So you roll it, you roll it, you make it to get to that point. So now just blend it in this way, this way. So this is it. So now you now take your tape rule. The bust measurement is 37. So 37 divided by 4 is 9.25. This is 9.5. So you add half inches allowance to it this way. So now the under bust measurement is 30 divided by 4 is 7.5 plus half inch is 8. So plus these 2 inches you are going to be removing here, so making 10. So this is it. Here too, the waist measurement is 30. So divided by 4, 7.5 plus half inches sewing allowance. So now you still add the 2 inches you are going to be removing here, so making 10. So you take your ruler, you roll it this way. So now from this place you are going to be measuring 1 inches here. From here you are going to be measuring, you can use 2 inches or 1.5, but now I'm going to be using 1.5. So we curve it this way. Sorry for not labeling it. This lace is nipple distance, while this place is under bust, while this place is the waist. So now from here you come in by 1 inches. So you blend it this way. So yeah, you can use 1 inches, determines how you want it to blend. So now take your ruler, you roll it this way. So from here you bring down the half inches we measure here down to the under bust. So that half inches you can use your pencil to bring it down this way. So you come up by, you can come up by 1.5 inches, determines what you want. You can use 1 inches. So now just curve it in from here this way, just blend it in like this, like so. So now we are done with drafting our corset. To add basket, like this corset basket, so just bring your ruler this way. Now firstly you take your measurement, you add 2 inches to it, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So take it and roll downward. So from here, from the upper, from the shoulder, I measure to this place 21. If you want to make it a corset basket, but if you want it deeper again, you can add. So now just try to, from the waist, I've added the joining allowance to it. Just curve it down way, this way. So from here, I will go down with my measurements. Go down with my measurements. And now, all I have to do is to cut. So, so this is it. Just stick it this way. And before you cut it out, don't forget to label it. This 1, 2. And now you cut from here. Okay, so this place we are going to remove this out. So from here, so this is it. So now from here, like me, I'm using wording. I told you in the first place I'm using wording. I'm not going to be using cup for this my draft. So now, if you want it to have a lace at the upper part, just take your tip bro. Measure 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So now, all you have to do is just to curve it out this way. Just to cut this one out. So you cut it off. So this lace, I'll make use of velvet. Why this? Just take your sellotape, place it on it, sellotape it together. So I will have to cut this lace out this way, like so. So this is it. So this place, I will have to sellotape it together. I will use it to cut out my lace. This lace, I'm going to be using velvet. This velvet for it. This lace too, I'm going to be making use of my velvet. Now, I'll use my paper to cut it out. So this is the velvet I cut for the side. This is the center. So you don't need to open it up this way. You have to cut it together like this, like so. So this is it. So this is the first side, this is the second side. So I use this to cut out the lace. This is the lace I'm using. This is the lace materials I'm going to be using. So I want the top side to be different. So now what I have to do now, I will take my hairstay, I will iron into my velvet. So now I'm not going to be ironing into this because I'm using doll face for the lining. So I'm going to place this and iron my how are you calling it, breast pad to it. So I will just have to iron my breast pad to this side too. So thank you for watching my video. I will show you the outcome